Can I get inspection? State inspection and car shaft inspection. So my car from this morning is kind of shaky. So I just want to make sure everything is correct or not.
Sure. What's your phone number?
845.
24 Fusion?
Yeah.
Thank you.
One question is, if I do this 38,000 or 37,500 maintenance, how long is going to take, do you think?
I'm going to need it for a couple hours.
For inspection, how long? Only?
A couple hours. Only because I wasn't planning on you being here. I got my guys in. I only have one inspector. I sent home my other guy because it's slow.
Yeah.
Do you want to schedule a time for tomorrow? Would that be better for you? I can get you in and out in an hour.
Yeah, it might be better. Tomorrow morning?
Yeah, what time's good for you? 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Let me just get all the information. You think?
Let me think. Yeah.
9 o'clock sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.
I'll see you in the morning.
Okay, thank you very much.
So much. Any miles on that car? 20?
No. 39,000? You don't need this?
I got all the information I needed.
Oh, okay, good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
.4 時間目英会話
Let's study together.